morning, children. Everybody has done a very good job in sending me all things about Republic Day. I'm sure you all also enjoyed Republic Day just the way we all enjoyed. Yeah? So let's start with the prayer first. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. It's so high, you can't get over it. It's so deep, you can't get under it. It's so wide, you can't get around it. Oh, wonderful love. Okay, now we are going to start with a new chapter in English. The chapter's name is Everyday Things. What is the chapter's name? Everyday Things. It's on page number 59. Page number 59. Now, what is this? So, basically, these are things that we see or we use every day. Okay? For example, things you eat. So what do you eat every day? You eat rice, you eat chapati, roti, maybe you eat vegetables, some people eat eggs. So there'll be different things that you eat every day. There could be some fruit like a banana or an apple that you eat every day. So what you have to do is, you will write out here what things you eat every day. So things you eat: rice, then this is roti or chapati. Then you can, someone can write banana, if you all are eating banana. If you all eat something else, okay, like a vegetable, so you will write some vegetables name. Maybe you like to eat tomato every day, or if you like to eat cucumber every day, or if you like to eat a bottle gourd every day, so you will write that name. So any two things other than what is already given. यहाँ पे जो लिखा है उसके अलावा भी दो चीज जो आप रोज खाते हो, that you will write out here. Okay, after writing that, in your red and blue line book, okay, you will write things about rice. Now for example, here if you read out here, it is written, I eat rice, it is white, soft and tasty. मतलब वो rice का description दिया गया है. Okay, that's how you also have to describe what you are writing. Okay, I eat rice, it is white, soft and tasty. I eat it hot. Our doorbell goes ding dong tring when you press the button. So this is a different thing, and here till here it's different. Okay, so what will you do is, you will write any two sentences or three sentences on each and everything. Okay, so basically I'll tell you what you can write. Now things you eat: rice. So you can write, I eat rice every day. Okay, then you can write rice is white in color, rice is soft. We can make rice in cooker, or we can even make it in the utensil, in the normal utensil on the gas straight away. So you can write things like this. You can also write, we can make some pulao out of a rice. Okay, so anything but three sentences you need to write on each and everything. Now one more example I will show you about chapati. Okay, so I'm going to write it on the board. That's how you need to write it in your books, in your red and blue line book. Don't be in a hurry, think and write. Okay, so for example, the second word out here is chapati. Okay, so you will write chapati as your heading. Okay, then on that first point you can write chapati is made from whole wheat flour. Okay, जो गेहूं होता है, जो गेहूं का आटा होता है, उसको इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं होल व्हीट फ्लावर. सो चपाती इज मेड फ्रॉम होल व्हीट फ्लावर. ओके, देन chapati is round in shape. You can talk about the shape, you can talk about how it is made, you can talk about the color, you can talk about the size. So you can talk of different things. Okay, you can even talk about how it smells or how it feels. Okay, then I can also write chapati is cooked on the tawa. Okay, you can write I like soft chapatis. Okay, so this is how you need to write 3 sentences about chapati in your book, in your red and blue line book. Okay, after that, if you have mentioned banana, you need to write 3 sentences on banana. So I will just show you one more example. So you will write banana out here. Okay, then you can say I eat banana every day in the morning. Okay, then you can say the banana is white in color from inside and yellow or green in color from outside. Okay, then banana is very soft. Okay, so these are the 3 sentences. After that you can write whatever. For example, if you eat cucumber, so on each topic you are going to write 2 more on your blanks and then write more about it. Okay, so you will write about rice, chapati, banana, and one more thing. You can change. If you don't eat banana, it's not necessary for you to write banana. अगर banana नहीं खाते हो, कुछ और खाते हो, you can write that out here. Okay? Okay. This is the first part of it. Second, things you drink. आप क्या क्या पीते हो? Okay? So there is milk, there is juice. What else do you drink? You drink water. So you can write about water, or you can write about say lemon water, anything that you drink. Okay, so this 2 you will write, milk and juice. Then you can write water, you can write something else. Okay, so 2 things you'll write here and here, and you will write 3 sentences each on rice, chapati, and 2 things from here, milk, juice, and 2 things from here. Okay, this is your homework. What you can write for milk, I'll explain you what you can write for milk. So you have to write about 8 things. So milk, so you can write milk is white in color. Okay, I like to drink milk every day in the morning. Okay, then what else can you write? We get milk from cows and buffaloes. Okay, so you can write anything about milk. Okay, so I think now everybody has understood. You all will write 3 sentences each of the things that you have mentioned here. So first we'll only do these 2 so that I know whether you have understood. You can send me that work, I will see it, and then I'll give you the next to do. Okay, that's all for English. You don't forget to take a picture and send, and don't forget to write your name. Okay, so now we'll start with phonics. Come to page number 54. Okay, so look at the picture and build the word. Now there is a picture drawn out here, and there are a few alphabets given out here. What is the picture about? It's about a man. So what alphabets will come in man? Okay, so we have to circle those. You can use a crayon also. So M, A and N. From each block you need to select one alphabet. From each block you will select one alphabet which goes for that same word, and then after selecting you will write out here. Okay, so if this man, so you will write M, A and N. Okay, similarly you will do for the other 4 pictures. Okay, so what is this? It's a cap. Then this is a net, this is a pen, and this is a cup. Similarly you will do for this. Don't forget to write your name, take a picture and send it to me. Okay, that's what you need to do for phonics. We'll start with maths. There's a new topic in maths. Okay, so the topic's name is less time more time. Okay, लेस टाइम मतलब कम टाइम लगता है कोई चीज को, और कोई चीज को ज्यादा टाइम लगता है. मोर टाइम मतलब ज्यादा टाइम. ओके, सो आई हैव अ फ्यू एग्जांपल्स फॉर यू ऑल. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ आई हैव टू राइट मिल्क and I have to write milk is white. Okay, I will take less time to write milk and I will take more time to write milk is white. So milk takes only 4-5 seconds, but milk is white will take milk is white. It will take about 20 to 22 seconds. Okay, so this will take less time and this will take more time. Okay, now one more example I'll show you. In case if I have to draw a square, okay, now I'm drawing this a small square, so it will take less time. But if I will draw a big square, I will take more time. Now if I have to color this square, the small square, it will take less time. Okay, for example, I'm coloring this. It will take less time. But if I'll have to color the big square, it takes lot of time. Okay, so I have to keep on going left, right to finish the coloring of the big square. So this will take more time. Correct? Now I'll show you this. Now I have one small glass and one big glass out here, and I have one bottle of water. If I have to fill water in this big glass, I will take more time. But if I have to fill water in the small glass, I will take less time. So let's start pouring. Can you see how much time I'm taking in this? Okay, if I have to fill to the top. Now if I'll take this small glass and fill in this, will it take that much time? No, it will take less time. Okay, so this will always, the small glass takes less time, the big glass takes more time. Now if I have to put this water back in the bottle, what will happen? Again, if I'll put it from the small glass to the big glass, to the bottle, it will take less time. Correct? Now, if I'm going to pour the big glass water in this, it will take more time. Can you see? Understood? So this will take more time. Correct? Now, there's one more example that I can show you all. Now I have this ball in my hand. Okay? And Kian is standing there. Okay? And if I have to pass the ball from here to Kian, it will take more time. Just see. Correct? But now if I go in the front and Kian also comes a little in front, then and if he passes the ball to me, it will take less time. Correct? So similarly, there is this exercise that we have to do in the book now. Okay? So the exercise is less time and more time. Now, color under the vessel which will fill in less time. So which vessel will take less time? Because this is a small bottle. Of course, when we are filling water in this, it will take less time. So you can color this box. Color under the picture of the vehicle which takes more time for the journey. Now the bus runs on engine and big wheels and engine. So you just need to accelerate and you can go ahead. But the bullock cart, the bull carries the bullock cart and they don't have any engine, no machine is attached. So this will take more time and this will take less time. So what do they want us to color? Color under the picture of the vehicle which takes more time for the journey. So we will color here. Understood? So what you have to do, you will finish this, write your name, take a picture and send. And in your house, you can give any 1 or 2 examples of what examples I have given or anything else which explains less time and more time. कोई भी 2 examples देना है आपको वीडियो निकाल के, where आप दिखा सकते हो कि ये चीज को less time लगता है और ये चीज को more time लगता है. Okay, so that's all what you need to do for maths. Now we are going to do EVS. Come to page number 74. Page number 74. It's a number song. Okay, how you will sing is 1, 2, 3, 4. Please go and shut the door. 5, 6, 7, 8. Take some sticks and lay them straight. 9, 10, 11, 12. Take a book and put it in the shelf. 13, 14, 15, 16. Look at the beautiful leaves green. 17, 18, 19, 20. Enjoy the nature's wonderful beauty. Okay, let me repeat one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Please go and shut the door. 5, 6, 7, 8. Take some sticks and lay them straight. 9, 10, 11, 12. Take a book and put it in the shelf. 13, 14, 15, 16. Look at the beautiful leaves green. 17, 18, 19, 20. Enjoy the nature's wonderful beauty. Okay. So what you will do is you all will sing this song, take a video and send. And let's just read this also. So what is written out here is, music is a beautiful combination of the 7 musical notes. How many musical notes are there? There are 7 musical notes. Singing songs can be accompanied by different musical instruments. A simple tune that is sung informally for one's own pleasure is also considered as a song. Make the children sing the rhyme in simple tunes for regular practice. So you need to practice this and then record your video and send it to me. This is all you need to do for the day. Have a good day. Bye-bye.